In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Sony A6400 to iPhone or iPad. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which device you are connecting your Sony camera to, either an iPhone or an iPad, you will be able to see all of its features, access the storage, download all of the photos, get a live feed, and so on. In order to establish this connection, it will be primarily done through Wi-Fi. However, you will still need to download an application developed by Sony. So to start, go over to the App Store and look for the Imaging Edge mobile app. It is available for both iPhone and iPad, and the process of connecting the Sony 6400 to either of these devices is going to be the same. So download the app, and once you have downloaded Imaging Edge Mobile, you will first have to set up the camera. So go over to the network category. It is either going to have this Wi-Fi or this signal icon, or it's going to have a globe as an icon. All that you have to do is make sure that you select the option here. So go to the network category and then find Send to Smartphone. If you don't see it labeled like this, then just find the option to connect to a smartphone. Once you choose Send to Smartphone, if you get two options like this, select the second one, select On Smartphone, and now you will be able to connect to a Wi-Fi network created by the A6400. So now open the Imaging Edge mobile app. There are going to be two ways to get this done. The first one, and the one that I would recommend for most people, is the QR code. So when you choose Connect to Smartphone in the camera, like I showed previously, you will be given this QR code that you can use to establish this connection. So all that you have to do is open Imaging Edge Mobile, tap the plus sign, and then select Scan QR Code. Usually you will be prompted to do this automatically. You have other options at the bottom, NFC, and then manually through a Wi-Fi network, and I'm going to talk about these shortly. But, like I said, just scan the QR code with your camera and the connection will be established. If this does not work, or you don't like the QR code approach, then you will have to manually connect to a Wi-Fi network. So your camera is going to create a Wi-Fi network for you. So you will have the network name and the password. You can also tap on this option here if you would like to confirm. And all that you have to do now is go to the Wi-Fi settings on your iPhone or your iPad and look for the network labeled Direct 6400. Just choose it from the list and then connect using these credentials here. Once you have connected to the Wi-Fi network, you will have achieved the same goal as the QR code connection, so choose any of these two methods. With the camera connected, you will see the connection established like this over Wi-Fi, and now you can see all of the images that you have available, and you can use the live feed function. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Sony A6400 to iPhone or iPad. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.